tell you, mom didn't tell you that it's a weekend.
Yeah, it's sci-fi again. Today we are on another episode. Today we are going to do the what we call this a 3-bedroom self-contained, and today we are going to do the ceiling. I'm going to do the ceiling and the floor. Watch carefully, then you understand. On this area, we have finished dimensioning everything. As you can see, we have dimensioned everything. It's now left with the ceiling and the roof. But today we are going to do the ceiling and the floor. Let's go. Go to design. Then you move forward to select, let's say, space. And when you come, you see that the entire area of the room is highlighted with red. You just click on it. Make sure you select all the rooms that you want to apply the ceiling to and the floor to. All the rooms, including the porch. Let's say we are done with selecting it. You head over to view. Make sure you view it in 3D. Then you are all seeing it. You can see it. Move over to actual. I think you can now see the ceiling. You can see the ceiling length here and the floor length here. So what we have to do is to go down here, select isolate object, isolate them. So you select them. Let's do you have to re-isolate them again. You select all the ceiling and the floor, select similar, then you go to this down button, then you click on isolate object. See, then you can now see only the ceiling and the floor. This is a floor. I see the floor, you can see the ceiling, and now I have to make changes to it. You then select them again. Yeah, and let's move to the layer. That's the editing section of the ceiling. Let's make the ceiling height like 3000. Yeah, that's the ceiling height. The floor thickness, I usually do it 200. Yeah, that's it. That's the floor thickness. But there is foundation. The foundation is very down, so let's say put it 300. As you can see now, our floor thickness is very high. Now we'll come here, height above the ceiling. I think all of you understand the height above the ceiling. Let's make it like 500 is okay. The ceiling to height is extended. Then for the width and all those things, I think it's okay for the building. So now we'll send it to end object isolation, and you can see the ceiling, but the ceiling is somehow very high than the building. So what we need to do is to just adjust it, make sure it's in the normal level. That's the overall space. So that the ceiling height, send it to 1500. 2,500 and press enter, and now the ceiling is in the same level with the building. Deselect. That's your ceiling that you have been able to apply to the building, and the building is now having ceiling. Let's move it to shaded. Now you can see the ceiling. Then the building itself. This is a back view. As you can see, this is the ceiling. As we are seeing, this is the ceiling. So let's send it back to the top view and 2D. As you can see it, the shaded portion, the cross shaded portion is the ceiling. Thank you for watching this tutorial, this wonderful tutorial. I hope you keep on the support. Make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button.
Tell your mom and tell you that is a we can do the game. Anything we do indoors, they'll make you forget the wall.